Hey guys, George here. One of the topics that we cover a lot on this channel is artificial intelligence, new models, new agents, and new automation. One of the topics that we never cover is where all of these technologies reside. You could be working on building a portfolio site, or maybe a Telegram bot, or even a complex application of artificial intelligence. You're gonna need infrastructure. You're gonna need a server. Today, we are presented with a solution that closes the gap between being complex and intuitive, and this is UltaHost. The reason why I picked UltaHost to do this review is that they are doing something completely different. They are among the very first to integrate an AI assistant into their environment that will assist you with your hosting. For the next few minutes, we will conduct a live test on real-time processing. I have a new VPS setup and will walk through the process from zero to the creation of the live site using AI solutions that will guide us through the process. Before we touch any buttons, we need to understand the hardware. In the world of hosting, marketing terms get thrown around a lot, but there are three specs that actually matter for performance. First, storage. UltaHost uses NVMe SSDs exclusively. Unlike standard drives, NVMe technology communicates directly with the system to remove data bottlenecks. Practically, this means your website files and databases open instantly, eliminating the lag often found on older server types. Second, the processor. They utilize AMD EPYC processors. These are enterprise-grade chips specifically built for high-performance servers. They are designed to handle heavy multitasking efficiently, ensuring that your server stays fast and stable even when you have high traffic or run complex applications. And third, location. Latency kills user experience. UltaHost operates over 30 data centers worldwide. This means you can deploy your server physically close to where your users are, whether that's in Europe, North America, or Asia. They also offer a fully localized experience. While today, for this global tutorial, I will be using the English interface, it is worth noting that they support multiple languages, including my native Georgian, which is a great commitment to accessibility. Now, let's look at the feature that actually caught my attention, ULTAAI. Usually, when you buy hosting, you are on your own. If you don't know the difference between a shared plan and a dedicated server, you might overspend or buy something too weak. UltaHost claims to have the first AI tool specifically designed for the hosting industry. Let's put it to the test. Let's say I'm a beginner. I want to host a photography portfolio with high-resolution images. What plan do I need? Look at this. Instead of just pushing the most expensive plan, it analyzes the request. It understands that high-res images require storage and bandwidth, but maybe not heavy CPU power, so it suggests a balanced solution. It can also help with domain suggestions. If you are stuck on a name, you can ask it for creative ideas, and it checks availability. Basically, think of UltaAI as a junior system administrator that is available 24/7 to answer technical questions or guide you through the checkout process. All right, shall we now apply these theories and put our hands dirty? I've purchased a VPS basic package and logged into the client area. I especially want to draw attention to the price because, trust me, it is a price that is, to say the least, very affordable. Typically, for this price tag, you are restricted to shared hosting, where your site essentially forces you into sharing the server's CPU and RAM with hundreds of other users on the site. Nevertheless, this VPS package gives you a fully isolated setup. Now it gives you dedicated resources, and these resources solely belong to you, implying that your website's performance will never be affected by other users of the network. This dashboard is where your billing information and your main account are managed. However, the key information that you need to get from here is this. And this is our main IP address. This is our server's number, our identity on the internet. Since this is a fresh VPS, if one were to go to this IP right now, nothing would happen. It's an empty box. Unlike shared hosting that comes pre-installed, here we have full control. So to bring it to life, we need to install our control panel. This is where we leave the browser for a moment and open the terminal.
We are going to connect to our server securely using SSH. I'm simply typing this command. Once we are in, we have full root access. To make the installation process smooth and avoid complex manual configurations, I have prepared a single command that updates the system certificates and forces the installation of the Hestia control panel in one go. The installer will ask a few basic questions like the admin email and port number. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so let's fast forward. Now we can log into our new control panel on port 8083. We now open the File Manager. Take notice of the directory structure here. We will first enter the web folder, then choose our domain. In this case, I've set up a test domain, georgetest.com, and access the public HTML folder. This is the critical directory. Anything you put into public HTML becomes visible immediately to the outside world. I've prepared a project with an index file, some CSS styles, and JavaScript. Let us upload them directly here.
Anyway, a brief reminder to the coders tuning in. As this is a VPS rather than simple hosting, you are not confined to use this graphical interface. This is because you have SSH root access. This implies that you can open a terminal and SSH right into your specific IP address and administer completely with no restrictions at all, because you can install all sorts of environments such as Node.js, Python, or Docker, and any back-end technology that you may need, and you are not restricted to just handling static files or PHP, among others at that. I'm typing in george-test.com and hitting enter. Here it is. Our custom project is up and running instantly. It took us less than 15 minutes to go from a fresh VPS to installing a professional control panel and deploying a live site on pure NVMe storage. With UltaHost, you aren't just getting server space, you're getting a powerful combination of high-speed AMD EPYC hardware, a vast network of 30-plus data centers to keep your site fast, and the innovative UltaAI tool. This AI assistant is kind of groundbreaking because it makes managing professional-grade infrastructure accessible even to those who aren't server experts. If you want to start your next project, be it a personal blog, a portfolio, or a large-scale enterprise app, make sure to check the link in the description below for the best way to get started with the right plan for your needs. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button. It really helps me grow the channel. If you like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon above to make sure you don't miss out on future deep dives into AI tool and technology tutorials. And finally, leave a comment below. What are you going to host on your server? I read all the comments and I'd love to hear what you were building. Thanks a lot for watching. This was George, and I'll catch you in the next one.